everybody? It's your girl Lavina coming back with another cash stuffing video. Hi everyone. I missed you guys yesterday. However, your girl, I'm gonna try to do 5 videos a week minimum, okay? 5 videos I'm gonna try minimum, okay? So that means I might not record, every day because, it is what it is right now. You only can stuff what you got. But I do plan on going live more, doing more vlogs and stuff like that. You know what I mean? That's what I'm thinking about for the new year. Trying to see what's up, how I can plan out some content for y'all and stuff like that. Y'all, your girl is still suffering with this cold. The struggle is real. So let's get into this video, you guys. Today, we will be cash stuffing a little money, a little something. We'll be cash stuffing 5, 10, 15, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. 27 buckaroos, y'all. Yeah, y'all, our garbage disposal, it been leaking. Like, y'all know what we went through with the rent. I'm like, now we all caught up. We put this order in weeks ago. Like, what's up? We on y'all head now. We caught up. We can be telling y'all some stuff we need fixed around here. Okay, y'all. So today we're going to be putting a little something in Lenny Lint, my binder, okay? Because I had to go in here continuously. But we're going to see if that can change, okay? And you know what? I'm going to try to not, I'm not going to say I've been over saving, but I just got to think about my priorities, y'all. Like, what envelopes do I really need to be cash stuffing, like that, like building up, because sometimes I find myself having to take from Peter to pay Paul. Okay, so birthday gonna be getting $5 today. Yes, y'all, I still haven't heard anything about the job interview your girl had. Not yet, but he said, I guess this week, I don't know. So, but I was looking on Indeed too. Personal care, get some stuff. I was looking on Indeed too. I've been looking, you know what I mean? Because, honey, girl gotta have full-time work. Okay? So I'm looking. Your girl is looking. Okay? Clothing, shopping, looking for something better too. That, I think I can handle. Clothes gonna be getting $5. So yeah, it's just like, what's up? Because I'm not going into January. I don't want to go into January, y'all, with with the same financial struggles. God, this part-time ain't gonna work. I got full-time bills. You hear me? Full-time bills, baby. And I'm, honey. It's a season for more money. More of my own money. Because I don't care what nobody else make. I want my own money. Okay? So that's that. Here we gonna put this $7, you guys, in here. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, for some gas, y'all. I get paid on Thursday. And I got a budgeting video of my Home Depot paycheck coming up. A budgeting and cash stuffing and all of that. See what I made, because this is going to be the most hours I ever worked there. Because of this Black Friday. But then now it's back down to 20-something. I'm grateful for the money I got. You know what I mean? But I need more. It's time for more. And I'm very, like, I got skills. I just took Home Depot because, I'm on that entrepreneur stuff, and I figured I can make money with my content, which is I've been posting on Facebook more, y'all, and the money going up over there. So, but that bonus end on the 8th, then it'll renew. So I have to write my goals down. One of my goals is to push out more content on all my wherever I'm monetized at, okay? And that's what your girl been working on Facebook. I have been doing my Facebook, but I got to do more. You know what I mean? I have to do more. So it is the season. So that's my goal. That's what I really want to do. I would love to make content full time, y'all, but that's not feasible. Your girl ain't a star. yet, okay? She ain't blew up, baby. So, you know what I mean? I have to be realistic, but I still need a full-time job. Ideally, I would love to just have my full-time job, which I know, you know, it won't be back-breaking work. I won't just be exhausted, you know what I mean? And do content, whether it be just and put out content instead of having to do DoorDash and stuff too. You know what I mean? Because truth be told, last year this time I was doing Instacart and content. The money was good. That's what I was doing. So as far as getting back in the workforce, this has all been this year, y'all. This has all been this year. I've been kind of doing my own thing. So, but, you know, it is what it is. One day, maybe, you know, I'll get back to that point. That's, you know, I will. I'm going to be striving and focused on that. Okay, y'all? So, you guys, thanks for watching this video. Before you leave, don't forget, if you like this content, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel and hit that notification bell, you guys, so you can know when your girl is live, or I got a new video, okay? All right, you guys, so thank y'all for all the support. Those who keep me subscribed and don't unsubscribe, I appreciate you, babies. I appreciate you. See you guys on the next video. Bye.